So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix IKE PABX that doesn't turn on anymore. So this is an IKE PABX that doesn't turn on when you put it on. The indicator lights are not coming on, so it's not powering on. So I'm going to troubleshoot it and show you how to fix it. I'll show you how I was able to fix this. This is an IKE PABX. And it doesn't matter the model of yours might be a different model from this. I'll show you the model of this. This is the model of this. Okay, let me get the camera a bit for you to see. This is TC418P. So this is an 18-port IKE PABX that doesn't power on. So this is all the ports. They are 18 ports and 4 extra ports for the CO lines. But the issue is that it doesn't power on when you plug your power in. There is no indicator on it. So I'm going to demonstrate this for you. It's powered on, but it's not turning on at all. And when you flip the switch over and over again, there is no power and there is no sign of power on this. So first of all, I'll show you how to troubleshoot it. The first thing I want to do is to ensure that the cable is okay. So I'll get my multimeter and check that the cable is okay, because if the cable is not okay, it will not be able to power on and the indicator light will not come on. So I'll test for power on this cable. So with my multimeter, I am going to check that there is actually voltage running through this cable. So alright, so the cable is fine. So the problem is likely from the PABS. So I'm going to have to open this PABS up and check what is going on inside the PABS. So this is what it looks like inside the PABS. So the major problem on this will likely be the transformer, because that is what processes the power before it is distributed into the main board of the PABS. So the power goes in through this, and then this transformer processes it, and the PABS board receives the power. So first thing I want to check is to test for continuity between the connector. So let's see. I'm going to set my multimeter to continuity and check that there is continuity on both the live and the neutral legs of this connector here. So my connectors are fine. I am going to look at this transformer right now. First thing we want to do is to disconnect the transformer clip from the board. So I'm going to power on this again and check that there is power coming out of this transformer clip. So if there's no power here, definitely the problem is from the transformer. But if there's power here, that means the transformer is actually supplying the right amount of power to the board, but the board has issue. So since there is no power on this clip, and the clip is directly connected to this transformer, the problem is likely from the transformer. So I'm going to remove this transformer and I am going to repair the transformer. A transformer can actually be repaired. So the first thing I want to do is to get it out and then check what is wrong with the transformer and fix it. Another thing you can do if you can't fix transformer yourself is to consider getting another transformer of the same rating from your local store. So something is definitely wrong with this transformer, and I'm going to open it up and troubleshoot and fix it. But yours might be a bit different. You might not be able to fix it easily. If it's easier for you to get another one, you can just get another one. So the reason why the transformer is what actually distributes power to the logic board. So when you plug the clip here, the transformer processes the 220 volts that is coming into this transformer and processes it to the right amount of voltage that the logic board requires. So something is actually wrong somewhere. Either one of the legs is broken, and that's what I'm going to fix right now. I'll fix it. I'll open it up and then I'll fix the issue. But if it's easier for you to get another transformer of the same rating, I'll advise you to get another one. But if there is no means to get another transformer of the same rating, then I will advise you to fix yours. Just to say what I'm going to do here right now. I may not be able to show you how I fix this because of time, but what I'm going to do is just to open up this, and then I'm going to reconnect the LED inside. There is a LED inside that I'm going to fix. So I'm going to clean out all of this debris before I go ahead and fix the transformer. So the rust is as a result of moisture on the transformer. The metal plate on the transformer has rusted and it has stained this. Okay, so if you don't want yours to be damaged, I would advise you to get a TV guard or a surge protector for your device, so that when there's power surge, this will protect your device from blowing up your transformer again. So your power cable comes into this, and then this is plugged into your utility socket, and so that is it. So I'll go ahead now and fix. Alright, so I have been able to fix my transformer back. I am going to replace it. Hopefully it works. I've tested the transformer, it works, so I am going to fix it back, and hopefully my PABX is going to turn on again. What I'm trying to do right now is to connect the cable. Before I could remove the transformer, I cut the cable. So what I'm doing right now is connecting the cable. back, and then I'm going to use a tape to cover it up. Alright, so I'll connect this clip back, and then I'll power it on. So this is where the indicator is. I have to plug the indicator to it so that you see from the indicator that it is on. Okay, you can see that it is on right now. So this has been able to solve the problem. This actually works for any model at all. It might not be, yours might be 24 channel or 24 port or 48 port. As long as it's IKE and it's not powering on, this will be able to fix the issue. Thank you for watching. I'll see you some other time.